We should see some good tag teaming between these groups.
And now his partner comes in. This will be a physical battle. And now he's back out on the apron.
It won't take long for the aggression to escalate quickly in this one.
Neither individual is going to back down here. A wild-eyed counter by the Maniac.
And did you hear the impact on that kick?
These competitors will always be looking to unleash their finishing maneuver. And when that happens, the complication of the match can change in a heartbeat.
Kick. We're in the feeling out process here. Who's going to get the advantage and maintain control?
A vicious elbow drop delivered with a lot of force. And he finally gets out of the ring. So far, this has been a very competitive tag team match.
Team match this has been. There's going to be a lot of offense in this match.
The ring at the thousands and thousands of WWE fans in attendance. Each and every one of them are having a great time tonight. We got a tag.
There's going to be a lot of offense in this match.
Tag team contest underway. Both of these teams have been very game so far. So far, this has been a very competitive tag team match.
What a kick that was. Back into the ring now. You know, there's just so much at stake for these teams in this match. A win in this one is absolutely huge.
Oh, that knee was right on target. Oh, what a brutal shot.
And did you hear the impact on that kick? Heads up thinking by the heir apparent. Oh, right to the gut.
And he's displaying tremendous viciousness.
No, not again.
Whoa, now that's getting dropped to the canvas.
He got him.
What a match.
Not this. Prince caught him. We got to cover.
1, 2. The damage has definitely been done. Now it may just be a matter of time. Collar and elbow battling for control. Watch it, watch it.
Oh, no way. What a move. Man, that'll give you a splitting headache.
And it looks like we could be heading back into the ring.
2, 3. I'm warning you, I will count you out. 4.
And we're going back between the ropes. Eliminator into the headlock. The tension, the drama. This is electric. Nice shot by Eliminator.
Oh, and he lands that one right to the head.
I'm having a hard time figuring out what they're going to do next.
Much more, and this disaster might be averted. And that one hurt his hand.
Nobody wants to give an inch in this. What a nasty elbow. Uh-oh. I can't believe everything that's transpired thus far. It's been so physical.
He may get the 3 count right here. 2.
What a decapitating lariat. Hooks the leg. 1. I can't believe everything that's transpired. And he doesn't stay down for long.
Well, he's got his opponent. What's he going for here?
He saw that one coming.
He makes the tag.
Each of these competitors is looking for the slightest hint of weakness in the other. I'm having a hard time figuring out what they're going to do next.
One, two.
This has been a war.
One, two. One, two. I can't believe everything that's transpired thus far. It's been so physical. One, two.
Each of these competitors is looking for the slightest hint of weakness in the other.
One.